90% of corporate event planners make the same costly mistake. They believe all-inclusive properties actually mean all-inclusive. Well, I made this exact mistake when I started, but after organizing over 1,000 retreats for companies like Reddit, Netflix, or PwC, I discovered something that changed everything. Hey, I'm Thomas Maziman, CEO of Teamart, a corporate event planning solution that is disrupting how companies are planning events today. In this video, we're going to break down corporate event solutions into two main parts. First, I'll show you the closest options to proper turnkey solutions. We're going to start with all-inclusive results, what they actually include versus what they advertise. Retreat centers like Châteauform and Retreat at Balcony Springs, for example, why they are becoming the new standard. Modern event spaces like WeWork and Convene, their hidden advantages and limitations. And finally, event planning solutions that can tie everything together. Then in part 2, I'll reveal why some popular options like wedding venues and standard hotel blocks may be costing you more time and money than you think. By the end of this video, you'll understand the crucial differences between an all-inclusive hotel and an all-inclusive experience. Something that took me years and thousands of events to figure out. Before we dive in, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We post weekly content about how to organize corporate events like a pro. Okay, let's start with all-inclusive resorts. Now I need to be clear about something. If you're in the US, finding true all-inclusive properties is extremely difficult. Why? Because of taxes and profit models, most US hotels make more money when they're not all-inclusive. And here's what you typically get with an all-inclusive resort. Rooms and basic amenities, 3 to 4 meals a day at different restaurants, access to the bars and beverages throughout the day, and some basic activities like fitness classes and sport facilities. But here's what they don't tell you upfront, and this is so important for corporate events. Meeting spaces, usually an extra cost. AV equipment, not included. Private dining room for your group, that's extra. Transportation, you're on your own. Now, this next solution is actually the closest thing to a true turnkey solution. Retreat centers, like Châteauform in Europe and Retreat at Balcony Springs in the US are specifically designed for corporate groups. What makes them different is their pricing structure. Instead of nickel and diming you for every single service, they give you one price per day that includes all your meals, meeting spaces, AV equipment, and group activities. But there is a catch, and it's a big one. Most of these venues only have around 40 rooms. So if you're planning a larger corporate event, you need to look elsewhere, unfortunately. The third option is particularly interesting for day events and shorter meetings. Spaces like WeWork and Convene have completely revolutionized how we think about corporate gathering, especially in cities. These spaces provide ready-to-use meeting setups, building AV equipment, all-day beverages. But remember, they're not complete solutions. You still need to arrange catering, transportation, any special activities, and accommodation if needed. Okay, now that we covered the solution that can minimize your logistical work, let me show you what you absolutely need to avoid if you don't want your planning time to double. Okay, let's talk about non-turnkey options, and I'll explain why they often create more headaches than they can actually solve and help you. First up, wedding venues. These are what we call dry spaces, and here's why it's problematic for corporate events. They literally just give you the space. Think of it like getting a house key before Airbnb existed. You might get some plates and silverware, maybe a concierge to point out where things are, but that's it. Everything else, that's on you to coordinate. All your catering needs, finding and setting up AV, arranging transportation, getting a bartender if you need drinks, coordinating multiple vendors, you're on your own. Now, these venues can be great for weddings where you want to spend a year planning every detail, but they're usually a nightmare for corporate events. Why? Because you don't have a year to plan. You need efficiency and reliability. Now, let's talk about another basic option, a simple hotel room block. When you book 30 rooms at a regular hotel, that's literally all you get, just the rooms. Every additional services needs to be added. You'll need to arrange meeting spaces, food and beverage needs separate contracts, and finally, AV equipment requires another vendor usually. So this can be a lot of things to juggle and often many more hours to coordinate everything. So if you have either a lot of time on hands or you're a professional planner, or finally if what you're trying to do is very sophisticated and require a lot of customizations, then it's definitely the right approach. And these kind of places can be the perfect blank sheet on which you're going to build an incredible event. But if you're not in any of this category and want to find an easy solution, but still want to deliver an incredible event, there's definitely a better solution. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Solutions like Teamart approach this problem very differently. You see, instead of trying to find one property that does everything, which we've established, doesn't exist, these platforms take a completely different approach. They focus on creating what we call an all-inclusive experience, rather than just booking an all-inclusive property. An all-inclusive experience means having someone putting together all the pieces so then when you arrive on site, everything just works perfectly. And it's all about the coordination. Here we're talking about rooms plus food plus meeting space plus AV plus transportation, but also and more importantly, vendor management, timeline coordination, logistics handling, transportation scheduling, management of dietary restrictions, and activity coordination. Here's what I mean by an all-inclusive experience. When you arrive on site, your breakfast is ready at 8 a.m. with all the dietary restrictions covered. By 9 a.m., you walk into a meeting space that's perfectly set up with all the AV you need. A few hours later, lunch is served. When it's time for activities, transportation is already waiting for you to take your group wherever you want to go. The key difference is the coordination. Now let's talk about costs. When traditional corporate travel agencies might charge you a minimum of $20,000 to $25,000 for this kind of services, platforms like Teamout have completely revolutionized the process. They've built systems, templates, and automations to make possible to deliver the same level of service starting at just $3,000. So let me break down exactly what each solution includes and what they do not include so you can review in just one view the pros and cons of each solution. Okay, so let's go over this table and let's compare some of the differences and why it matters in terms of planning time. So let's start with the all-inclusive resorts. Yes, they include rooms and basic food, but you're also spending 20 to 30 hours coordinating meeting space, AV, private dining, transportation, and group activities. Then you have retreat centers like Châteauform. They're the most comprehensive physical location. They include meals, AV, meeting space, but you're limited to 40 rooms, and you still need to coordinate transportation. Usually it takes between 10 and 20 hours of planning time. Then you have modern event spaces like WeWork and Convene. They're great for meetings, you have building AV and business setup, but you're spending 8 to 10 hours on catering, transportation, and accommodation if you need to. Then you have a simple room blocks. Just the rooms are included. Everything else is extra. You're going to take between 40 and 50 hours coordinating every single vendors, all the services, and all the logistics. Then finally, a platform like Teamout. They coordinate everything through one system. It takes usually between 2 and 3 hours of your time because of the pre-vetted vendors network, the attendee management system, a dedicated planner, and finally a standardized process across all events you organize. Okay, before you go, I want to insist on this one more time. When clients come to me asking for an all-inclusive venue because they want to minimize logistics, I always ask them, do you want an all-inclusive hotel or do you want an all-inclusive experience? Because these are two completely different things. An all-inclusive experience means having someone putting together all the pieces so when you arrive on site, everything is ready. This is why solutions like Teamout can be valuable. We help create an all-inclusive experience without needing an all-inclusive property. We coordinate everything so you don't have to spend 40 plus hours planning your next corporate events. If you want to learn more about corporate event planning secrets like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Every week, I share insider tips that can save you thousands of dollars and countless hours of planning time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.